And just open the liftgate glass, push that button. There should be 2 push pins right here. You want to take those 2 push pins out. You can slide this open. All right, I'm going to pull this handle out. I'm going to use a 7mm socket. Take this bolt out. Grab the handle, just slide it down. Now just use a trim tool and just pop this off. Just like that. And the push pins slide in like that. So slide those out. And then this whole piece should slide down. Oops, watch your fingers. Keep that glass up a little bit and just slide that out. All right, then take the trim tool, just go around here, take this panel off. That's good. And then it slides forward. Just a little lever right there. All right, disconnect the electrical connectors right here. Just slide this tab up, disconnect it. And this tab right here, push down, slide it out. Now I'm going to take these cables off. I'll start with the bottom one and just slide this side of the cable out. That ball retainer is. And take some needle nose pliers and just squeeze this just like that. Slide it out. This one might be easier to slide this out first. Just slide it off like that. We'll do this one the same way. And slide it out. Now I'm going to take these bolts out. There's 2 right here and 1 right there. Use a 10mm socket. All right, now from the outside I need to release the glass. So I'm just going to pull this down. I'm going to push the button. That's going to release the glass. Just like that. And then actually push the whole thing in. It comes right out. All right, from the back side of this, I'm going to use a T15. Take this screw out right here. Flip this over. So from this side, we have to move this lever. Just move this to the side a little bit. Just like that. So that that's unlocked. Flip it over. There's a little lock tab here. Just push down on that lock tab. And then just slide this whole thing up. Just like that. And then we're going to slide this piece outward like that. Now this piece is going to slide off. You're going to take the new one, slide this on, slide this back in position over here. Now, you don't want that triangle lined up with that other triangle right there, so make sure it's like this. Flip this over. Line all these tabs up. There we go. And make sure that lock tab gets pushed in position. Just like that. It looks like it's all set. You can reposition those arrows to line up. And take that screw, put that back in that hole where that goes, and snug that up. And everything looks good. All right, now take this assembly and line it back up. And you might want to open the window a little bit. Take the bolts, get the bolts started. And just snug these all up. Try to do it evenly. And then just double check the glass. Make sure it opens and closes. Push the button from the outside. Looks good. And reattach the cables. Lock it in place. Just like that. And connect the electrical connectors. Line it up, lock it in place. Now take this panel, now line these two clips right here and right there. And push those push pins in. Alright, that looks good. Alright, now take this panel, let's line the top clips up. Watch out for the wires. This wire is broken on this vehicle, but there is a little spot where that's supposed to go. So get those lined up. You're going to push these forward. Alright, that's lined up. Then we're going to slide this down, pop the window. And grab this panel right here and just slide it over here. Just like that. Now before you push those push pins in right there, make sure you slide these clips in. Make sure they're lined up. Alright, that's good. Now if you have those push pins, push those in. Now just take this handle, get it lined up. Get the screw back in and tighten it down. And just snug it up. That's good.